Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great. So my friends, my name is Purba and I welcome you all in my Indian vlog channel. So today is Sunday and today I'm starting my vlog from now. It's a morning time 10:30 and I'll be sharing my full day breakfast to dinner routine with all of you. As you can see, it's a very cloudy and rainy kind of Sunday. So me and Bikram, we both decided to stay all the day in our home, and that's why I'm going to share my whole day routine with all of you. So please keep watching. And now let's start making the breakfast. Here you can see I have some waffle in my hand. Today it's Sunday, and usually on Sunday or Saturdays me and Bikram, we both love having some pancakes or waffles. So today we have decided to have some waffles with tea. So now I'm just toasting it. To make my breakfast platter little healthy, here you can see I'm cutting some fresh apple. We both love having fruits in our breakfast, so here I am. Now honey is something that is my all-time favorite. It's a natural form of sugar and I absolutely love it. And also I love my walnuts in the breakfast platter. So yeah, it's ready. And here we are enjoying our delicious breakfast, which is fresh waffles, some fresh fruits, and obviously my favorite garma garam chai. And it's time to prepare lunch now. Here you can see I have already started chopping my tomatoes and onions. So cutting and chopping always take a lot of time, and if you are done with cutting, chopping and marination, then cooking doesn't take that much time. So here I am chopping everything, and also today we'll be having some eggplant batter fry. We Bengalis call it begun bhaja. So after chopping onion and tomatoes, I'll cut some eggplant as well. And I'm marinating my chicken now. Today is Sunday, so chicken is must. Chicken curry and rice, Bengali style chicken curry. So here in the marination I have added ginger garlic paste, and then I have added yogurt, and now I'm adding red chili powder, little bit of turmeric powder as well, dhania powder, that is coriander powder, and also cumin or jeera powder. And now I'm giving it a very good mix. And here I'm using mustard oil. Today I'll cook my chicken in mustard oil as well. So in the marination also I always prefer to add little bit of oil. And finally just a little amount of salt and little bit of sugar. That's it. Now I'll mix it well. To make Bengal's very favorite beguni or eggplant batter fry, Here we have to make the batter for this. So in this bowl I have taken 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, that is maida, 1 tablespoon of suji, that is semolina, little bit of oil, and then salt, sugar, and also little bit of baking powder, and then I am making a smooth batter out of it. And here I am all set. My lunch preparation is absolutely ready. So now I am all set for cooking. Here I have soaked my basmati rice. After 10-15 minutes I am gonna switch on it. And here I have some potatoes, because we Bengalis love to have potatoes in our chicken curry. Here is onion, tomatoes, and green chili. Just 1 green chili I have chopped in fine pieces. And here is my eggplant and all the whole spices that I need to make my chicken curry. And here is the marinated chicken. And this is the batter for my brinjal fry, eggplant fry. And here is my boiled moong dal. So everything is ready. Now I'll start cooking my lunch. You know, my friends, I always love to have little roasted potatoes in my chicken curry. So I always prefer to fry the potato pieces before starting the chicken curry. Today I am cooking this chicken with mustard oil. I am not going to use any white oil, just pure mustard oil I am going to use. So in the oil I have added all the whole spices, and then I am adding this chopped onion. Time to add little amount of salt, and then I'll mix it properly. And here you can see, after sauteing the onion for few minutes, here I am adding my tomatoes and green chilies, and then I'll cook it for another 2-3 minutes. Looks like my onion tomato mixture is absolutely ready, perfectly cooked. And here I am adding my marinated chicken. So this recipe is actually very easy and simple. We all Bengalis love to follow this recipe. So my friends, as I was telling you that making this chicken curry is absolutely ready and perfect for beginners. I remember the very first chicken curry that I have learned from my mom was this chicken curry, because at the time of marination we have added all the spices. So yeah, it's super easy. And here you can see I have cooked my chicken in medium flame for few minutes now. And now seems like my koshano is completely done. We Bengalis love to use this term koshano. Koshano means to cook in medium flame for a few minutes, for little long time. And now here I am adding warm water into it, because I am going to have it with some rice, so little gravy will be good. My chicken will take now another 10 minutes to prepare. So I have shifted it in another oven, and in this oven I am making my moong dal. This moong dal recipe is already there in my channel, my friends, so I am not giving you any details recipe. You can add whatever vegetable you want in this moong dal recipe. Whatever vegetable is available in your kitchen. You can add a carrot, you can add cauliflower, so whatever you want. Now look at my chicken, my friends. It's looking absolutely tempting and super delicious. It's almost done. Another 2-3 minutes and my chicken will be absolutely ready. At the end of the cooking, here you can see I'm adding little amount of garam masala for extra flavor and also little bit of coriander, dhania, and that's it. I have cut some fresh salad here, my friends. You can see I absolutely love having salad with all my meals. You already know that. And now I'm shifting my dal into this bowl. It's very refreshing and very flavorful. And there my chicken is also ready. So yeah. And also my friends, within 3-4 minutes my rice will be ready too. And after shifting everything in serving bowl, then I'll start frying my eggplant. And then we'll be all set to have our Sunday special lunch. Now look at this gorgeous looking eggplant batter fry, beguni or brinjal fry, began ki fry, so whatever you want you can call it, and it's looking absolutely delicious. And here is my Sunday special lunch spread, which is absolutely ready, and we both are feeling so hungry. Here you can see my perfect looking fluffy basmati rice. It's looking really tempting and gorgeous, and it's just from the rice cooker now. And here is my eggplant batter fry, and here is fresh salad. I have sprinkled some salt and pepper on top. Here is my peas moong dal. This is winter special. And here is my chicken curry, Bengali style chicken curry with potatoes, aloo diye chickener kosha. And this is it. So now we are going to enjoy our Sunday lunch. Now it's 6:30 in the evening, so it's evening tea time obviously, and you all know that I absolutely love my evening tea. And today with tea we are having biscuits like always, and also we are having this beguni and muri puffed rice. So it's a perfect winter combination, especially in the evening time. So now let's enjoy. And finally now it's dinner time. The time is around 9 o'clock. We were enjoying a very wonderful movie, and then I came to the kitchen and I'm making this fresh sabji. Even though in the lunchtime I already made dal and chicken curry, I have that, but you know I always prefer to make something very fresh in the dinner time, and eating vegetable is always good for your health. So here I am making cauliflower carrot ki sabji, and this is very simple. I am adding little bit of haldi, and then I have added some salt, and yeah, that's it. Also I am adding little bit of black pepper on top for some extra flavor, and my saute is almost done. This recipe is so simple, my friends. You have seen I didn't add any extra spices. Just I have added some kalonji and green chili at the beginning, and then I have added some turmeric and black pepper. So that's it. After cooking this vegetable in low flame for 5 to 10 minutes, now you can see, my friends, it's absolutely ready. And my vegetable is ready. Here you can see I have taken some soft pita bread because in my fridge I already have some bread. So I thought of using it in today's dinner. These pita breads are just like our naan. So this is very tasty and very yummy, especially with any paneer ki sabji or any dal makhani, any kind of typical Indian curry. And I have toasted it with little bit of butter. You can add oil too. And finally it's time to plate the dinner. Here you can see I am taking some dal. I absolutely love having dal, especially in the night time. I just love it. And I have taken 2 pieces of pita bread. Basically this is 1 piece. And now I am taking some sabji. And from my lunch you can see I have already some chicken pieces. So here I am taking 2 pieces of chicken in each plate. And finally some cucumber. And that's it, my dinner plate is ready. And my friends, this is the final dinner plate. Now the time is around 9:45. So my dinner is ready. Now we are going to enjoy our dinner. So my friends, that was today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it. It was my Sunday special breakfast to dinner whole day routine. And if you like my videos, if you like my content, those who have not yet subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and please be a part of my positivity and happiness family. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new vlog, with a brand new video. So tata, bye bye.